In the heart of the whispering forest, where the trees swayed softly with the night breeze, lived an owl named Oliver. Oliver wasn't just any owl. He was a dreamy owl with large, twinkling eyes filled with stardust and feathers so soft they seemed to glow in the moonlight. Every night, as the stars began to sprinkle across the velvety sky, Oliver would perch at the entrance of his cozy hollow, dreaming of far-off lands and whimsical adventures. Despite his dreams, Oliver had never ventured far from home, content with the tales the other night creatures shared about the world beyond the forest. One gentle evening, as Oliver gazed upon the shimmering constellations, a particularly bright star caught his attention. It twinkled more vigorously than the rest, as if calling out to him. With a flutter of excitement in his heart, Oliver decided that it was time for an adventure. He spread his wings wide, the softest whisper filling the night, and took to the skies. His journey was filled with wonder as he soared over silver streams and glimmering glades, discovering all the magical places he had dreamed about. As he floated above a carpet of flowers that glittered under the moon's soft glow, Oliver noticed a gathering of fireflies dancing in intricate patterns. Intrigued, he gently dipped closer to land among them. The fireflies welcomed Oliver, teaching him their twinkling dance, filling his heart with joy and his feathers with gentle, glowing lights. As the night grew deeper, Oliver realized he had flown farther than ever before. Despite the incredible sights, a small part of him began to miss the comfort of home. Noticing this, a wise old firefly spoke to Oliver. "Adventures are splendid, dear owl, but the heart finds peace where love resides." Carrying the warmth of the firefly's glow, Oliver made his way back to the whispering forest. The journey home was faster, guided by the new, twinkling knowledge he had gained. As he nestled back into his cozy hollow, Oliver felt grateful. He had discovered the world was vast and full of wonder, yet he had also realized the joy of returning to a familiar, loving place. And so, under the watchful gaze of his favorite twinkling star, Oliver drifted into a gentle sleep, dreaming of more adventures, comforted by the glow of the world he had explored and the home he adored.